Did you know US home buyers have 9.3 trillion in tappable equity? In fact, the average US homeowner has 178,000 in tappable equity. That's up 61,000 or 54% from the market average just 3 years ago. But how can you leverage that to make even more money? Well, since 99% of people have a mortgage rate below 4%, many homeowners aren't moving. And if you might be thinking of moving, updating and upgrading your home can make you more money. So it's a win-win. If you sell, you can make more. If you decide to stay, you can enjoy living in a newer home. So if you're curious what home improvements give the highest ROIs versus home improvements that are a complete waste of your money, then stay tuned. I'm going to answer all of that and more in this video. Having been in real estate for over 18 years personally and running a brokerage, Alante Real Estate, with a top performing team that sold last year along over 70 million, I can say we know how to sell homes for premium prices because we know how to package and present a home. And one of the biggest parts of that is helping our clients select what to update. So I wanted to share the best and worst projects from our own experience and backed by real data. A recent report by Zonda Media reveals that, contrary to popular belief, the home renovation projects with the highest return on investment focus on enhancing curb appeal rather than undertaking more glamorous kitchen and bath remodels. Homeowners generally receive a 60% return on investment for the renovation projects. 95% of homeowners plan to take on a major home improvement project in the next 5 years, but only 50% can currently afford it. The average homeowner spends $3,890 on renovations and remodeling spent in the last year alone. A few projects that can deliver a 100% ROI include converting a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to electric, replacing garage doors, installing a stone veneer, and upgrading to a steel front door. Minor kitchen remodels, such as painting and updating the backsplash, may provide high returns, but major kitchen and bathroom remodels tend not to, according to the Zonda survey. However, factoring in the quality of life while living in there with the return, there are some that help with the resale too. One is fresh paint and flooring, especially new carpet. They dramatically change the feel of a house. But choosing the right color to paint for each house is something you should consider consulting your realtor. We know what colors look like online after we photograph our listings. We know which colors attract the most views online, and that's what you want: more eyes on your marketing that eventually will translate into more buyers and ultimately into more offers. My tip is choose just one color. Yes, I know it might be boring to you, it's okay. Just remember that you're painting or packaging the home to eventually sell. So plain, simple vanilla sells best. Second is kitchens. Everybody knows kitchens sell houses, and renovating a kitchen can dramatically increase the value of your home. One thing we know for sure, if the buyer wows at the kitchen, you're almost halfway home to a sale. I have seen people get turned off about a home because the kitchen was too outdated, only to see new homeowners come in, buy the house, paint the cabinets, change the hardware and the fixtures, and be able to sell the home for substantially more money. Falling in love with the kitchen is a thing. Make it easy for a new potential buyer to do so. The third is the primary bedroom. Primary bedrooms are one of those eye candy pieces of a home that is important to make sure is up to snuff. The primary bedroom needs to evoke the feeling of peace, comfort, clean, simple. How do you accomplish that? Less is more. Less furniture, less knickknacks. White bedding. Yes, there is a reason why hotels use white bedding. Accessorize it with the items that evoke clean energy, tranquility, and balance. Actually, better yet, call your realtor and have them stage it for you. At Alante Real Estate, we have learned how important the power of accessories is, so much so that we have stocked an entire walk-in closet full of complimentary accessories that our clients can use for free, making this process as simple as possible for them because we know how important it is. The final thing on the list is the backyard. I think improving outdoor space can generate a big return when done well. If your home has a backyard where life happens, cookouts, pool area, fire pit area, you name it, that all needs to have furniture in place, and the landscaping needs to be looking like it belongs in a Better Homes and Garden magazine. We need to sell the lifestyle of the home. People love to imagine how they will host their friends over a weekend, or how they will entertain at their kids' birthday parties. Make it easy for them to dream big. The bigger the dream, the higher the sell. How much work should you do before you actually sell your home? And is it actually worth doing an entire remodel of your home prior to selling it? Well, the answer to that's probably not, especially in this market. One of the things you need to weigh up is the amount of effort and resources that is going to take versus the return that you're going to get and the time is going to take you to get the home on the market. We tend to have conversations with sellers who spend X, Y, and Z on certain improvements. And the problem is that sometimes those improvements aren't actually adding that much value to the home over improving any element of your home for the neighborhood is also very dangerous. If you are in an entry-level home, but yet you put a high-end kitchen into it, you might not get that money back because the next buyer may not fully appreciate that. So if you're doing things which are highly personalized, you just need to be really careful about making sure that they appeal to as broad of a range as possible. My advice for homeowners is honestly talk to a local realtor about which renovations could increase your home's value and which ones to skip. Obtain competitive bids on any project and include a 10% buffer for potential extra expenses. If you're going to be financing a project, look into a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit and ensure that you can work the monthly payments into your budget. Consider holding off on large renovations to save money, pay down debt, and wait for potentially lower interest rates. With high home prices and tight housing supply, many homeowners are opting to fix up their current homes rather than look for something new. However, homeowners should consult with local realtors to determine which renovation projects will provide the best ROI and improve their quality of living, especially as the cost of construction and financing rises. If you've made it this far, you're probably interested in a new home, whether it means updating yours or possibly finding a brand new one. So if you're looking to buy a new home or make a move here to the South Shore and Cape Cod, my team and I would love to be your real estate resource of choice, and you can email me at susanna@alanterealestate.com. Even if you aren't yet and want more personal and customized advice on your specific home project, just reach out to us. We don't bite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you at the next one.